Hi folks, these are the in-car checks on a Hyundai ix20. Just going to go through the switches in the car that you might need to be aware of. First of all, we have the hazard light switch here. Just switch that and the hazard lights come on. You would use that if you have a breakdown or if you're slowing down very quickly in fast moving traffic, just to warn the drivers behind you. Next of all, here now we have the air intake control switches. This switch here allows fresh air to come in from outside, generally the switch that would be on. This one here stops fresh air coming in from outside and just recirculates the air that's already in the car. They'd be what's called the air intake control switches. This one then is the air conditioning switch. Here then you have your the level of fan you want on the car, and the temperature control here is here as well. That'll be cold all the way around to hottest, and the settings in between. Then down here then you have the front window heater, which I would generally have on all the time when the car has been driven in winter time to keep the front window from fogging up. This is the back window heater, which I would rarely use because it uses a lot of excess energy, similar to the front window heater, but I have to have that on in winter, otherwise the front window will fog up. And here then is other places where the air can be blown to: the window and the feet only, through the vents at head level, through the vents, and also to feet level. Then we have here the stalk on the left hand side of the steering wheel. The lights and the indicator switches are here. Up one level gives you the side lights, and if you put it up to the second level you get the what's called the dipped lights. Here we are. Hence you have two green lights on there on the dashboard. The first one was the side light that came on. The second was the dip light that came on. There you are, you can see them better there now. Now if I push the light switch forward, I get a blue light on the dashboard, and the blue light on the dashboard, as you can see, tells you that the full beam or lights is on now. I pull back the lever then, and now the full lights goes off. Then the fog lights are in here. If I turn it up one, as you can see on the dashboard, that's the front fog light. And if I turn it up to the second one here, and the second light in the dashboard came on, that's the back fog light. Back fog light is always an orange in colour, front fog light green in colour. Now to turn off the front fog light, push it up there again, let it go, front fog light gone off, no orange light there anymore. To turn off the front fog lights, turn it off, no fog light switch on there again. Then here you have the horn in the car. There we are. Press that if you want the horn sound. You use it in an emergency, or if you're warning people up the road that you're going to be coming. Over here then we have the wiper switch. What you have is if you twist this one up here, this one up to here, that's the back wiper intermittent stroke. And this one up here then, that's the back wiper is on the whole time. Now the back wiper is off again. And then if I push the lever up one level, that's the front wiper on intermittently. Up again, front wiper stays on, and up a third time the front wiper goes fast. There's one level down too if you don't want one quick wipe of the front windscreen, and then the wiper switch goes back to off again. If you have the wiper in intermittent mode, you can change this switch here. That just varies the time between the wipes of the wipers on the front windscreen. I generally have it halfway there. That's grand, and I can change it if necessary then to make it longer if I pull it down, or shorter time between the wipes if I push it up. If I pull the wiper lever towards me, squirts water on the front windscreen, I did get a couple of automatic wipes. If I push the wiper lever away, I squirt water on the back windscreen, and I also get a couple of automatic wipes of the back wipers as well. Now, in your driving test, you'll be asked 3 out of that lot of all those switches. So, folks, I hope that helps. That's just a quick video on the in-car switches in a Hyundai ix20 car. So, folks, if you like the video, please consider pushing the like button underneath this video, and you can subscribe to our channel too if you would, please. We like to have people join our community as much as possible. So until next time, folks, thanks for watching the video, and we'll talk to you later. Bye for now.